I've been using and testing Google Gemini for the last 36 months, basically since day one, and a bit over a month ago, Google released their most impressive update yet for their suite of AI tools, all now powered by Google 3.0. So I've spent the last 60 days heavily testing these different Google AIs, and in this video I'm going to share with you the 3 you need to be using right now. But we aren't just going to look at them just as tools, we're going to look at them at specific roles you need to run your business. For example, the Analyst, the AI that processes your data and research. Then you've got the Architect, the AI that visualizes your plans and ideas. And finally, you've got the Agent, the AI that actually executes the work for you. Starting off with the Analyst. This is NotebookLM, but I want you to ignore the name completely. Notebook is a lie. It implies it's a place where you simply store things like a digital filing cabinet. If you treat it like that, you're wasting a lot of time. We need to use NotebookLM to address the single biggest problem in your business, the knowledge gap. We all have the data, we have the SOPs, we have the compliance manuals and the legal contracts and the marketing research, but that data is passive. It sits in a Google Drive folder somewhere, or it's buried in an email. To get the value out of it, you have to stop working, log in, search for the file, scroll through 50 pages, and then interpret what it's saying. That gap between the processing of the information and applying the information is where the business loses money. It's where mistakes happen. This is why you use NotebookLM as your analyst. Let me show you what this looks like in a real world example from one of our clients. They operate in one of the most high stake environments on the planet, the oil rig industry. Their job is essentially to carry out MOTs, comprehensive inspections on massive offshore rigs. The problem here is obvious. This is a complex engineering feat involving thousands of digital documents. You've got your compliance papers, you've got manufacturing specs, and then the strict safety procedures that must be followed. In the past, this was a search bar nightmare. If an operative on an oil rig needed to check say like a pressure testing on a protocol, they'd have to stop what they're doing, get out their laptop, log in to the company intranet, and then start digging around through Google Drive folders. They would open 5 different PDFs, hitting Control F and hoping they found the right file, the right paragraph. When work processes are complicated or cumbersome, efficiency drops and less gets done, productivity does die. So we implemented NotebookLM. We fed the entire operational brain, every SOP, every manual, every safety update into NotebookLM. The result was an instant transformation. They eliminated the knowledge gap. Now when an operative is starting a complex valve assembly, they don't have to go digging through Drive. They simply pull out a tablet and ask NotebookLM, what is the pressure testing procedure for this specific valve? The AI synthesizes the answer from across those thousands of documents instantly. It gives them the instruction. It cites the sources so they can verify it and trust it. They've saved hundreds of hours in the first year alone by turning dead files into usable answers. If that kind of efficiency is what you're trying to build in your own business, hit the like button so YouTube knows to show you more of these type of videos. Now, how do you actually build this for your business? You don't need to be a coder. You can do this in about 10 minutes. Head over to NotebookLM and create a new notebook. Name it after the role you're trying to fill. For example, safety, compliance analyst, or sales objection handler. On the left-hand side, you'll see your sources panel. This is where you feed your brain. You can connect directly to your Google Drive and select your PDFs, your slide decks, and even your website URLs. Crucially, with the latest update, you can now add audio files and YouTube links. So if your training is recorded in a video, paste the link into NotebookLM. It will watch the video and index every spoken word. Once your sources are uploaded, NotebookLM immediately reads them and learns their content. Looking at the suggested question chips that appear above the chat bar at the bottom, this is your first check if the AI is suggesting relevant questions like summarize the safety protocols for high pressure valves. It has understood your data. Now you test it. Ask a specific technical question related to your documents. When it answers, look closely at the citations. You will see little grey numbers next to each of the text. Hover over those numbers and it will highlight the exact paragraph in the original sources where it found that answer. So this is like the trust layer. Unlike ChatGPT, which might guess an answer, the Analyst actually shows you its homework. If it can't find the answer in the documents, it will tell you. Finally, you need to solve the problem of dead time. As business owners, we are constantly moving, maybe driving to clients, sitting on trains or waiting at airports. Usually this is lost time, but I use NotebookLM to turn that downtime into productive time. For example, take contracts, vendor agreements, software licenses or leases. They're all designed to be kind of boring. Nobody reads them, and that's where the liability hides. My system is simple. I upload the contract to NotebookLM, but I don't read it. I navigate to the notebook guide section on the right hand side and click audio overview. I then give it a specific direction. This is a new feature called customize audio. I type in stuff like focus specifically on liability clauses, cancellation fees, and any unusual clauses in that document. Then I get in my car. By the time I've arrived at the office, I haven't just read the document, I've listened to it on a deep dive analysis of the risks. I know exactly where the red flags are. I've turned a 2-hour reading task into a 20-minute commute. And for those of you who need to present data, not just consume it. The new Gemini feature closes the loop. An analyst's job isn't done until the report's filed. You can now take that same research, say for example those oil rig manuals, those contracts, those client transcripts, and ask it to generate a video overview or a slide deck. It synthesizes the input of your data into the output of a presentation instantly. This is the power of this tool. It's not a place to take notes. It's a machine that ingests chaos in your business documents and outputs pure, actionable, organized intelligence. It allows your team to stop searching for answers and start doing work. So next, you need the architect. We've spoken about the Analyst, NotebookLM, that gives you the intelligence. The architect gives you the plan. In business, an architect takes raw data, raw ideas, and turns them into a tangible asset. Whether that's an asset is a proposal, a video, a slide deck, or a visual mock-up. The problem is always the same, the production bottleneck. The research has been done using the Analyst. You know your message, but shaping it into a document, designing the slide, or tracking down the right file. Now that's just tedious, time-consuming manual labour. So let's look at how we can use AI to remove that labour, starting with the most difficult thing to communicate, a visual idea. We work with clients in the creative and renovation sectors, landscapers, interior designers, and even event planners. The biggest hurdle is the imagination gap. They can see the vision in their head. The client cannot. In the past, closing a deal meant paying a 3D renderer hundreds of pounds and waiting 3 days for a mock-up. By the time the image had arrived, the client had often lost interest. Now they use Nano Banana. A landscaper stands in the client's empty muddy garden. The client is hesitant. He takes a photo, uploads it, and then prompts the AI. Transform this garden into like a slate grey patio, raised timber, sleeper beds, and warm lighting. 30 seconds later, the client sees a photorealistic image of their garden, completely finished. He isn't buying a plan. He's buying the dream. Deposit is signed. Another client is planning a beautiful wedding marquee using Nano Banana to visualize the tables, a bar, a band, and the layout. Changes were spotted instantly, which made planning smoother and saved hundreds of hours of back and forth communication. This is what the architect does. It closes the gap between ideas and reality. And while Nano Banana handles the visual ideas, video has always been the toughest way to communicate a concept until now. Let's talk about a new service called Google Vids. If you need to send a project update to your team, you don't need to be a video editor. You can open Google Vids, drop in your analyst research notes, and the architect will build a storyboard, select stock footage, suggest voiceovers, and even insert AI-powered avatars to narrate, and then it will build the video for you on a timeline. You're moving from text to video without the friction of editing. But my absolute favourite feature, and the one that saves me like the most sanity every single week, is hidden inside Google Drive. We have all had Monday morning panic. You've been away for a few days and your team's been working, and you open up a shared drive and there's like 50 new files. You have no idea what has changed. In the old world, you had to open every single file, check the version history. It was painful. Now Gemini does the heavy lifting. When I log into my Drive's homepage, Gemini gives me a summary of updates. It tells me, Kyle has updated the pricing spreadsheet to reflect the new tax rates, or the marketing team has changed the hero image on the slide deck. I don't have to open the files. I get a briefing on the work that's happened while I was asleep. And it solves the mystery folder problem. We've all had those folders. They are full with files with names like, V2/final edit PDF. You have to open 10 of them just so you can find the right one that you need. Now when you open a folder, Gemini gives you a content summary. It reads the files for you and it tells you this folder contains Q3 financial reports, the draft contract for the Smith account, and the safety compliance assets. It stops you hunting. It stops you guessing. So how do you use this role? You stop starting from zero. Don't describe it, show it. If you're selling a physical vision, use Nano Banana to prototype it instantly. Don't write it, draft it. Use the Gemini sidebar in Docs and Slides to turn your bullet list points into a first draft. Don't hunt for it, ask for it. Use Gemini and Drive to summarize your folders and catch up on team updates without opening a single file. The architect takes the plan and turns it into a draft. But a draft isn't a business. A business needs execution. You need to connect the dots, automate the boring stuff, and actually move the data around. And for that, you need to hire the agent. This is the final piece. The agent is the one who actually gets their hands dirty and executes the task. Most people look at a chatbot and just think it's a text box. You ask a question, it gives an answer. But that's not how an agent works. An agent knows context. An agent knows who you are and how you like things done. If you have to explain your tone of voice or your brand guidelines every single time you open a new chat, you're wasting time. You're treating the AI like a temp worker who walks into the office every morning with zero memory of yesterday. In the Google ecosystem, the agent is Gemini Gem, your ability to build a custom version of Gemini that has a specific rule set to follow. Let me give you a real life example of how this solves a massive bottleneck: content creation. We have a client who's a brilliant technical expert. He knows his industry inside out, but he runs a business business, so he doesn't have time, 4 hours a week to sit down and write a perfectly formatted blog post for his website. So he hired a junior marketing assistant to help. There was a problem though. The assistant didn't have 20 years of experience. They didn't know the technical nuance. So the business owner spent more time fixing the assistant's work than if he had just written it himself. So we built a Google gem called the Blog Standardizer. We uploaded the company's specific formatting rules. We uploaded their exact tone of voice guidelines. We uploaded 5 examples of their best performing articles. Then we used the new Shared Gems feature to give the assistant access to it. Now the workflow is completely different. The business owner records a 2-minute brain dump while driving to work, just raw, messy thoughts about a technical topic. The assistant drops that transcript into the gem. The gem acts like a senior editor. It structures the arguments, applies the tone and formatting, and produces a draft that sounds exactly like the boss. The assistant then makes minor changes and corrections and tidies up the work a bit and then handles the posting. They turned a 5-hour writing struggle into a 15-minute process. That's what an agent does. It executes your work to your standard even when you're not in the room. But execution isn't just about tasks, it's about decision making. I also use another gem as my virtual board of directors. I created a gem and instructed to drop personas of 3 people I respect in my industry. Their job, to poke holes in my logic. For example, before I change my pricing or launch a service, I run it past the board. It forces me to think critically before I commit to resources. Become a client of Kimbley IT and I might just share that prompt with you. So how do you build a gem? It's incredibly easy. Just go to the Gemini and click Gem Manager and hit Create. The magic is in the instruction box. Do not put something in like help me write posts. You need to write something more detailed. You're a senior copywriter. Here's my style guide. Here are 3 examples of my previous work. Never use corporate jargon. Always end with a question. You treat it exactly like you're writing a job description for a human. So stop looking at these things just as chatbots. That is small thinking. You now have a full C-suite in your pocket. You have an Analyst, NotebookLM to process your data and close the knowledge gap. The Architect, Nano Banana and Workspace to visualize your ideas and close the imagination gap, and then agents, gems to execute the work and close the delegation gap. The technology is already here. The only variable left is whether you're actually going to deploy them.